Alright, a not Neil Young song made famous by Neil Young, and I'm going to sing this in the style of Christy Moore, with my eyes shut most of the time, which is how Christy sings. Think I'll head out to Alberta, the weather's fine there in the fall. Have some friends that I could go to working for. I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time, but been through that 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change come what may. The good times are all gone and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow falls and if things are looking good, I could meet you if I send you down the fair. By then it would be winter and not much for me to do. The wind sure blows cold way up there. For strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change come what may. The good times are all gone and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Another one of these songs that is in the category of the nicest song ever. Thank you.